Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can sync the TikTok shop with your Shopify page. So let's get right into it. Now, you can use an app to integrate these two together, and I'm going to show you exactly which app that is. I'm just going to click on apps, and I'm going to search for TikTok. And as you'll see, this TikTok app has appeared. You can use this as an app, as a sales channel. I'm pretty sure you can click on both and find the same result. But once you find it, just click on TikTok and you'll arrive at this install page. As you can see, this app isn't compatible with my store, but for other stores and for your store, it might be compatible. Now, as you can see, you can sell on the TikTok shop and manage your business in Shopify, but only for the US and UK. So this might also be the reason why my store is incompatible. But pretty much what you need to do is just click install here. That'll open up a new dashboard page where it'll ask you to confirm your installation. And as you install it, and once that's installed, you'll be able to use it directly in the Shopify admin dashboard, and you can set everything up and configure both of your stores through that app. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.